everyone. Before we are going to formally start our session for today, please let us all stand for the prayer. Jane, you can please lead the prayer. You can now take your seat, class. Good morning, my dear grade 4 students. Today, I am your teacher. I am teacher Fritz Marvy. You can call me teacher Marvy or teacher Marv. Wow, a lot of happy faces I see today. And it seems that your room and the chairs are well arranged. Good job, class. Keep it up. I have this class rules, class. When I clap my hands twice like this, it seems that you are too noisy. And what will you do when you are too noisy? Okay, very good. Be quiet. Did you understand, class? So, I will check the attendance, and when your last name were called, just raise your hand and say present. Did you still remember what we have discussed yesterday? Okay, very good. What is our lesson yesterday that we have tackled? Okay. Anyone can give some examples of line and shape? Claire. Another. Vincent. Justin. Okay. All your answers are correct. Very good. Let us give them a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. I think you are very much prepared for our next lesson. Now, I will group you into 4 groups, and the first 2 groups will have this jigsaw puzzle, and the other 2 groups will have this coloring numbered puzzle. Group 1 and Group 2 will solve the puzzle, will connect the puzzle, and try to figure out what is the image or the picture that has formed. Group 3 and Group 4 will follow a color code and color each numbered part to have the picture come out clearly. Please count off 1 to 4, class. Please, all the leaders come here in front, and I will going to distribute the puzzles that you are going to solve. You will do this activity in just 12 minutes. Timer starts now. What have you learned from this activity? But before we are going further to our discussion, please read all the vocabulary words right here and that you might encounter during our discussion. The puzzles that I give you is the example of a mosaic, just like a mosaic. And so, what is mosaic, class? Mosaic is composed of small parts of a montage to create a bigger picture and a new design. So montage, class, as I have presented earlier, it is an artwork that created with many other materials such as paper strips, grains, and etc. It is also a combination of a diverse elements. From the picture that I have here posted on the board, what have you observed? Jane. Okay, it is a flower. And how did you find this flower? How did you solve it? Carlo. Okay, you use a pattern. And what if I remove something here? What will happen to the image? Queenie. Okay, it is incomplete. You will combine some materials and follow some patterns. And if some parts are missing, your desired outcome will not be accomplished. So class, be careful on choosing your mosaic materials in order to have or to produce a very good design. From this picture, we can see that it is oblong, and inside the oblong, we can see flowers. And he or she uses an eggshell to decorate his work. Eggshell and watercolor probably to color this blue, and to this is orange. Did you understand what is mosaic? Any questions and clarifications? Hearing none, so let us proceed. Okay, class, it is your time to shine. By the way, did you bring all the materials needed? Very good. Each one of you will think, draw, and create your own mosaic that represents yourself. Did you understand, class? Okay, you will start now. Again, what is our topic today, class? Okay, and what is mosaic? Very good. It seems that you really understand my point. For your assignment in a 1/2 sheet of paper, number 1 question, why did you choose that thing to represent yourself? And question number 2, how can these small materials you have collected useful to successfully create your own design? You will pass your assignment tomorrow afternoon, class. Any questions? Okay, let us pray. Goodbye and thank you, class.